Sometimes we try to round the corners of some shapes that we've converted to curves in CorelDraw, and we usually find that difficult, especially when we want to make sure that the curves are even. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve that in a few seconds. So over here I have this rectangle. Let me just tweak it a bit. Okay, so let me just change the shape and just trying to play around with the entire geometry. Okay, let's just use this. And if I zoom in a bit and I try to round the corners, you see it's not possible. So we go over to Windows and go over to Dockers and click on curves. This is where all the magic happens. So all we need to do is to increase the radius, and as you can see, it changes on all corners. So as we tweak the radius, the effect takes place on all corners. So let's put it to 10 millimeter and apply. So yeah, although the shape isn't that regular, but this works for every shape that you convert to curve. Okay, I hope this tutorial helped, and I'll see you in the next video.